Welcome back. Today we're looking at a WordPress and WooCommerce product management template. It's a great tool for listing products and writing blog posts simultaneously. We start with a product link, and the bot visits the site to pull essential data like pricing and reviews. It also grabs multiple images that we'll need for the store and the blog article later on. Moving over to the Run tab, the agent is visiting the site to gather the controller details. It successfully extracts all the key data points we need, with a specific focus on capturing the product images for our store and blog. Let's continue with n8n. As always, I've added plenty of notes to help you navigate the workflow better. Everything starts with a Telegram trigger. As you might be familiar with by now, we first validate the user input looking for a link to extract. If the user is just chatting or the link is missing, the switch node redirects us to the bottom path, the chatting AI that responds to user text. If the data is valid, we notify the user and move forward with the browser act node, where we've manually defined the input. Using structured output and autofix ensures our data is reliable. It keeps the output consistent across all products. Next, we send all that data to another AI agent. This agent is responsible for generating everything: the WooCommerce product data, the blog article, and the image metadata. As you can see, we're using structured output again to ensure we don't face any errors. Then, we pass that output into yet another AI, which is specifically instructed to generate a clean article using HTML tags. This ensures the formatting fits WordPress perfectly before we send it to the site using the WordPress node. Now, it's time to create the product. First, we create the product using the WooCommerce node, making sure we capture the product ID. We use a merge node here solely for synchronization. Once the product is created with all the generated data, it's time to add the images. We use a split node to send each image through the loop individually. Then, by using the update product node and the product ID we just generated, we can easily attach all the images to the product. As you can see, the product is now live in WooCommerce with a professional design. You can easily tweak the template to change the structure. We also have the companion article ready on WordPress. Feel free to adjust the AI prompts to get the exact look you're going for. Thanks for watching.